Who would you say is the curl queen of the 90s? Julia Roberts, Mariah Carey, Sarah Jessica Parker, or Whitney Houston? The answer will be at the end. Today I'm trying Julia Roberts' curly hair routine on my 3B3C curls. I mean, who didn't love Pretty Woman? Walking down the street, Pretty Woman. So her curls, as you can see, are much looser than mine. She's got waves, more like a type 2. But as us curly girls, you know we love trying new routines. Here's what happened. And let's just say it did not turn out how I expected. Step 1. Preparation and what products to use. Julia Roberts obviously swore by light mousses and minimal products. Now her hair type is different to mine, so obviously you've seen what I'm using. I would prefer a gel and a mousse, or a cream and a gel, or a gel on its own, like Stronghold. I never go for anything light. So this is out of my comfort zone. Obviously, we start on clean hair after shampooing, conditioning. I didn't deep condition, squeezing out any excess water. She does not do her hair soaking wet. We start on damp or almost getting dry hair. And use a t-shirt or a microfiber towel. Don't use these cotton towels. You know they cause frizz. The leave-in I'm using is Bounce Curls leave-in, and it smells so good. Oh my goodness. And it made my curls feel soft. I didn't detangle with a brush. I was detangling with my fingers. Obviously, I detangled in the shower. But by the time I come out and do my hair, I usually need to run a brush through. With this product, no brush. This technique as well is a no brush styling. We style with our fingers. I'm already nervous because shrinkage is real, but usually with my fingers I get a bit better length retention. However, when I don't detangle first, gotta get those knots out. But this product combination with my fingers did the job. It's easy, by the way. This is an easy routine. Anybody can do this. Wavy hair girls, type 3 girls. Yeah, this is proper easy. And then I went in with the Got To Be volumizing mousse for boosting volume. Obviously, you see her hair, how big it is. Yeah, it's beautiful. So we want big hair. However, to obtain some definition as well as volume with my hair, yeah, that's the challenge. However, the curls were forming. Everything's looking good. Now in the show, why does she supposedly always need her hair straightened when they go out? Like when they go out for dinner, when he does her hair, it's always straightened and made to look all perfect, no frizz. Whereas when he saw on the street, she was wild, amazing. The waves were flowing, the volume was there. Like her curls and waves were amazing, but he had to change it. Why does that make her look more acceptable or classy in their point of view? The reason I'm doing this video is not to look exactly like Julia Roberts. It's about trying her routine, testing it, and making it my own to see if it even works on my hair type compared to hers. And that's what makes our community fun. Like, this is what unites us. My routine can work on your hair, and your routine can work on my hair, with a little tweak here and a tweak there. But sometimes we don't even need to tweak it. The routine just delivers. Next thing we got to do is scrunch. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Because we want volume, we want definition, and I'm getting both. I feel like I added too much product, but my hair will absorb the products. My hair is low porosity, so it takes a while for my hair to actually absorb any products, especially leave-ins and curl creams. It always looks like it's just sitting on my hair. But with time, it absorbs. So trust the process. I kept telling myself, don't be afraid, it's fine. If it comes out like an afro, it's all good. I can rock my afro. If it comes out like definition and volume, oh, she's on to something. If it comes out totally different, it's all right. This is why we experiment with our hair. onto the drying time and styling. I air dried because I had no time. This was first thing in the morning, going to church. It took me under 10 minutes to finish this hairstyle, and then I was like, I gotta go. I'm getting the feeling this is gonna turn out like, how can I achieve the juicy afro? She does plop her hair. So what this is you wrap your hair in a towel or a t-shirt after applying the products to absorb any excess product or water, and this actually encourages curl formation. You can leave it in anywhere between 5 and 30 minutes. I left it in for a minute, maybe 2 minutes, just to scrunch out excess product. I wasn't going to leave this in because I had to go somewhere. I was going to church, as you can see. One side looks a bit longer than the other. I know I need a haircut again. That's another story. But yeah, it is looking so good. I cannot believe this. Continue scrunching. We need to scrunch a bit more as it dries to encourage the curls and volume. Now, for people with type 2 hair, this will probably work for you. And maybe type 3A, but type 3B onwards to scrunch when your hair is drying just causes frizz. I don't need that. My hair gets bigger as it dries anyway. So I was not scrunching and scrunching, but this is what her hair routine recommends. And then use a hairspray to just set it all in place and finish with some oil. I didn't do any of that because my hair still needed to dry. But the results speak for themselves. I didn't use oil. Only after it's dry, then I add oil. I never add oil before. You can just to like coat the hair, but I never shake and, take the hair apart. It just causes frizz for me. So it's not Julia Roberts curls. It's my curls with Julia Roberts hair routine. Honest talk though. On tighter curls, you need a strong hold mousse or gel to get that definition. On tighter curls, mousse won't define the same way. But the volume is looking good. Now, to answer my question from the beginning, the curl queen of the 90s, it's so hard to decide, but I'm gonna go for Whitney. Who do you think was the curl queen? Would you try Julia Roberts' routine on your curls? Let me know in the comments section. And if you love experimenting with different routines, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Are there any other curl routines you'd like me to try? I have also tried Zendaya's curly hair routine, and here it is. It was good as well. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video? Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.